Let's dive into the market's reaction as the Fed keeps rates steady but signals a potential cut. With Nifty nearing the historic 25,000 mark, we explore what's driving the bullish momentum and what to expect from today's key Q1 results. The numbers are in and the verdict is out. The numbers, as widely expected, the Federal Reserve held interest rates steady at a 23-year high of 5.25 to 5.50% for the 8th straight time. The positive takeaway was that the Fed signaled that the first cut is closer, as the past few months have shown easing inflationary pressures, while the labor market continues to cool off from its overheated levels of 2022 and 2023. Policymakers will get a look at both July and August inflation and jobs data before their next meeting on September 17 to 18, which could tip the balance toward a rate cut then, if recent trends continue. The verdict: Wall Street's key indices jump higher with joy amidst renewed enthusiasm from the Federal Reserve. The positive takeaway was that Powell said Fed is prepared to respond quickly if inflation falls more quickly than expected. Well, that should be too dovish to Nifty bulls too. Bottom line, GIFT Nifty sticks to solid gains post-Fed decision, indicating Nifty's bullish action shall accelerate. Global cues are very positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 3462 crores, while DIIs were net buyers to the tune of Rs 3367 crores. Bullish sentiments shall prevail. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are still indicating higher high-low play. FANO August month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 to 25,500 zone. India VIX hovers at 13.25 levels. Nifty PCR 29 August is at 1.49 levels. Bank Nifty PCR 28 August is at 0.88. Nifty outlook: all bullish eyes on Nifty's 25,000 round number. Nifty CMP to 4951. Support 24,900 to 24,800. Resistance 25,100 to 25,200. Range 24,800 to 25,200. Bias sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty CMP 51553. Support 51,200 to 51,000. Resistance 51,800 to 52,000. Range 51,200 to 52,000. Bias sideways to bullish. The good news: the benchmark Nifty is about to hit 25,000 for the first time this Thursday, 1st August. Yippee! All bullish eyes on Nifty's 25,000 round number party. Expect champagne to be popped, the confetti, poppers popping, kazoos and cake are set to hunt for banner caps with Nifty 25,000. It's time to put the cherry on top of a banner Nifty 25,000 day. Our call of the day suggests Nifty's 25,000 record high is attention-grabbing. The number itself is a proud moment for many Indian investors, as suggests corporate India is in pretty good shape. Q1 results to trickle in today. Thursday, 1st August, App Capital, Adaniant, Adana Ports, Dabur, Escorts, ITC, Sun Pharma, Tata Motors, Zomato.